Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Santa.
Oh, that is so cute.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
What do you think,
got your
Thea?
Christmas card, so there you go.
Hey, how about Santa and Mrs. Claus?
Oh, and there's Mrs. Claus.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get shots with Lisa.
What do you think, Zia? Santa Claus came to see
Santa
you.
came to the
That's a
party.
good picture.
I know.
Yeah,
I think
Santa.
she's too freaking smart. Did she figure it out?
Santa.
She's hungry.
Oh.
Can
Can Santa have a chip, Zia? Can Santa have one of your chips?
Can we give you a present?
A present?
Someone looking here for a present for Isa? I mean, for Zia and Isa?
I always mix up.
We get the names mixed up.
I told him when we named it that was gonna happen.
Oh. Here you go.
Oh, Zia.
Presents for you.
Hello,